In this video, you guys are going to see how I record and edit my YouTube videos. So what's up guys, Seressor here. So today I'm going to be telling you guys how I record my videos. So obviously I have 4 things right here, and basically it's free. Alright, you could pay money for one, but 3 out of the 4 things I have here are actually free, and they are pretty professional, I would say. For free standards, they're basically the best you can get. So right here, I'll start off with the free stuff. We'll put the stuff that costs money over there. So right here, OBS. Alright, we'll start off with this. This is the screen recorder. This records screens, obviously. So I'm using it right now here. Right here. I'm using it right now to record this. And what's cool about this is it can record screen. If you have like 15 monitors, which you can't even have, but if you actually can get it, this can probably record all of that. So just like that, that's OBS right there. Record both screens, alright, but it cannot record like Xbox or stuff. So I'll show you guys how I record that, which is this. I use this to record Xbox and stuff, but you don't have to use this. You can do like clips and stuff, which is harder, but you can do that. But yeah, we'll get on to the next thing, which is Audacity. This is what I use to record the sound on this, but I don't use it to record this because this sound over here ends up being buffery and stuff, which is odd. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's like, it needs to be a little fix. But Audacity, I just use this. Right here, you can edit, monitor. It's monitoring the microphone I'm using right now. Effects, bunch of effects. You know, you can edit stuff pretty easily. That's Audacity. That's sound. Right here, Resolve. This is video, sound. This is everything. This is free, and it's basically the most professional you can get. So right here, we'll switch the screen, this display. Yeah. Right here, so switch to display 0. So right here, this is the DaVinci Resolve 14. So I'm just gonna skip all that and wait for it to load up, and it's loading down here. So right here, it's loading, and it's got some nice matrix effect. I could see a bunch of mouse stuff, but there, right there. So here, let's switch over to the other display. And we're gonna move this over here. So this has everything you need: video transitions, audio transitions, titles, generators, filters, and you could probably add more stuff. This is what they call the timeline. You can put all the stuff here, edit a bunch. You have a bunch of tabs, sound, do multiple sounds. This is like all the sounds combined. And then you got the effects, the media, all. You can put stuff here and edit and save projects. It's a lot. It's all for free. You can add the color. You can have whatever this is. I never used it. And then you can press deliver and easily just create your video, which is not that hard. And let's close out of that. So yeah, that's how I edit, record, and do the sound and everything for just the computer games. And for the Xbox and stuff, I use Game Capture. So I'll just wait for it to load up. Boom, right there. This is it. So this is Game Capture right here. Obviously you can probably tell how it's used. You know, it's pretty easy. You can see it. It records only this screen. There's no way to record the first display like OBS. So I only use this for gaming. You know, it's obviously recording the sound right now, because it could see right here. Reduce, blah blah blah, all this stuff. And then there's all this stuff. And there's scenes too. Blah blah blah, record button, edit, and it's a bunch of that stuff. But yeah, that's how I record Xbox and stuff. And that's that. And we're going on to the other stuff. So right here we have video editor, YouTube stuff. So right here we have YouTube stuff. And that's like the description and stuff, games, Elgato videos. And right here, this is where I keep on the intros, and I'll teach you how I create those intros. It's not that hard. Sound effects, I use the OBS to record YouTube sound effects and just edit it to make it sound effects, I guess. I have a bunch of sound effects there. I got about background music, which I'm probably gonna get another one or something. Helpers, this is like other stuff, something else. So intros, that's what we want to focus on right now. We're gonna go into Chrome or whatever and go and type in panzoid.com. spelled exactly like that. Never mind, not spelled like that. Panzoid.com. Spelled exactly like that. Alright, so right here, just pick an intro. There's more than this. Usually if you don't like any of them, just refresh it instead of pressing more creations. Or you can just press more creations and just, you know, just do that. And that's how I got the intro. You can get outros too, but they're not as common as these. So I'll show you. I'll make this one and I'll use it for this video. So you click this button, it will go into the first person. This mutes it. I don't want it to be, you know, sound and stuff. But yeah, does that. You know, make sure you watch it. Make sure you like it too. And make sure it has sound. So I just did it there. That loud noise was that. And right here, usually if you do right here, you can find name, but sometimes it's different. So you just type in your username, press enter, don't click off, because if you click off it just doesn't save or something like that. I don't know, you like click on something else. So boom, right there. So just check it out, see if you like it. And okay, so yeah, that's that. I don't even think I like this that much, so let's pick another one. You know, right here there's an outro, so you can grab outros too, and that has sound. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and this is here. This is a great example. Right here, if we look right here, it has each letter different. So unless you have a 4-letter name, I wouldn't recommend using this, because this is just gonna be really bad. So they look really cool though, but it's gonna take a long time to make them. Usually I just make a quick one. Okay, so just like that, you created it. So you're going to go right here, balance, good quality. This takes really quick. Don't do this one. This looks like crap. This one will add in an extra like 3 minutes. This one will add in an extra like 10 minutes. So balance is alright. This is like 720 1080p right here, and it will only take 1 minute. And download your video. Boom.